I just received the crash bar. Hopefully they will fit. As far as I looked on the internet, they fit properly, but I hope they will fit, and I'll see you later, and I'll show you how to assemble them. Well, in order to install the crash bar, first you need to pry off the foot peg. I already did it on this side, so just take it off, pull slowly, and then you have the two screws that you need to unscrew them, and then place the bar right here. Then of course you have different screws that they are longer in order to fit it properly. Job done. Everything went very smoothly. It's not a big deal to fit this crash bar. So basically you have two screws right here. You take those, the original ones that are T25, and you put the ones that come with the installing kit. Then there is a connecting bolt that these two pieces connect in between, and then you have two bolts that you need to tighten up. Then right underneath the headlight, you see right here, there is another bolt that comes to hold this crash bar together. And then exactly on the other side you do the